we're multiplying together two binomials, so we can use the FOIL method. The FOIL method tells us that we need to begin by multiplying the first terms together. So we'll have a 3x times an 8x. Then we move on and we have the outer terms. So the outermost terms in this expression are 3x times a 7. Then we have the innermost terms, so a 1 times an 8x. And finally, we have the last terms in the expression. So the last term in the first binomial and the last term in the second binomial gives us 1 times 7. Now we can go through and multiply each of these terms together. So our first one is 3x times an 8x. So we begin by multiplying the coefficients. So 3 times 8 gives us 24. And then we have an x to the first times an x to the first. And since they have like bases, we can add the exponents together, so we get x squared. And then plus our next term here of 3x times 7, multiply the coefficients to get 21x. Now moving on to the third term, we have 1 times 8x, and if we multiply those coefficients, 1 times 8, we get 8x. And finally, we have 1 times 7, which gives us 7. Now, to ensure that we've finished this problem completely, we need to make sure that all like terms get combined. So we begin by looking at this first term of 24x squared, and notice that in the whole polynomial there are no other x squared terms, so we can leave this as 24x squared. Now, look at this second term of 21x, and notice that there's another x term, so we need to add those coefficients together to get 29x. And finally, we have our constant of 7. So our final answer should be 24x squared plus 29x plus 7.